Alright guys, welcome to a new video of programming, GraviTrax part 2. And if you're thinking, where's GraviTrax part 1? Did you forget it? No, because the link of GraviTrax part 1 is right now in the description. So if you did not watch it yet, I sure you watch it. So what we currently have is so quickly do that. So what we now have is we have two files, as I explained in my last video. One is an engine and this is not an engine. I do not know why the not engine has less. But now here is ChatGPT. Just like in our last video, we are gonna use ChatGPT, and in my account we have this. And also I have made the controlling joystick less laggy, and also the Y level is now smoother. So what we are gonna do in this video is we are gonna do raycasting and placement. We already have our stacker from GraviTrax. It does not look like it, but you can select it like that, and when you have selected it you can type it down. So what we just kidding. So that means that what we are gonna do that means that what we are gonna do is gonna be cool with quotes around it. Yes, and in real life I actually did cool with quotes around it. And I don't know why my microphone doesn't have a filter, but anyway, alright. Wow, why did the microphone fall? I hate the microphone. I'm just gonna put it here. Alright, so now I do not have to hold the microphone. So now let's make raycasting. So let's see, stacker is selected. You can see that by the var selected item, and when it's set to when you know it's the stupid microphone. When you know it's the stacker, we do a raycasting function. It first gets the pose of the mouse. Then, so what it then does, it raycasts it, and the hexagon it touches highlights red, and only that hexagon. So just like we talked in the past video, now we know what it is. By what it is, I mean like that now we know what. So now we can identify the hexagon when it's something selected, and it will highlight it. So let's quickly click the enter button about here. Great. Now I'll see you when GPT gives us ChatGPT gives us our answers. See ya! Alright. So it's still not done. So let's guess I see. Why does it always happen? I mean, I am quite happy, but like, why? Now we are here, and let's refresh. So now it looks completely normal when we don't have anything. So let's click it. Oh, yeah. Alright, but there's one problem. Let's also make the, quickly point the microphone to me. Make the inside of the hex. Oh, that actually kind of hurt. Collide with the, what was it? Raycasting. So even if it's visually not touching anything, it still highlights the thingy majingy. Bruh. So again, let's see what it gives us. And sorry that the microphone was not pointed at me, I have no idea why. But anyway, let's see what it gives us. And still you can hear me even though I'm very, very far away from the laptop. But anyways, let's see what it gives us. Again, it gave us all our stuff, but as you can see, it's still coding. How did it only do that part? What? Huh? The edit you're about to see will look like 0 frames to you, but like an entire minute for me. How is this what it does in a minute? I do not understand. But anyway, I guess I'll then see you when it's done. Alright, so luckily this time it's not cursed and suddenly did everything. It's still quite far, but that's because we edited it away again. I think you did that, editor. And as you know, if you watch my other Minecraft video, it's very specific. But Pat33333 said you don't have an editor. This is a one-man job. And yes, this, yeah. This is on me, so anyways, let's quickly edit this away again. Woohoo! Hey, Chat I tell you is illegal. Why did it put Space Sahina here? I do not like Mr. Space Sahina. I do not like a Space Sahina. Anyway, let's do this again. I think I've talked a little way too much. So, see ya! Bro, I don't think this is really the same as what you saw. Bro, I actually hate my job. Yep. How many lines did it? How did it type less lines but with more? Why am I? Alright, that was a strange crunch, but let's select this. Aha, great. So that is completely good, and it also does not do it when we select. So let's quickly go back to ChatGPT. Yep, so we're back to ChatGPT. I have a special button on my keyboard that can teleport with. Just kidding. I just switched accounts and edited it away. So, anyways, now we can identify the raycasting position. Yay! Now only change the script.js and make and let's make placement, not an ad. Cause now if we have placement, wait, actually, yeah, because if we have placement, that would be very good. Cause if we have placement, we can place any GraviTrax piece on any position, and that is very good. And if there's someone journalisting me, I will have no idea why I'm talking in a microphone, because I don't like talking in microphones. So anyways, so basically the stacker is just a light gray hexagon. It's basically a light gray hexagon. The same size as the floor. Hexagon with the same gap in it. But that's not all. But that is not all. That's funny, I just typed what I said. If only there was a microphone, then we can just type everything what they say. For all the babies out there, that would be very good for you, because you can't really read that much. And also, when I'm looking in the microphone, it's like an illusion, so... Oh, my eyes. So, anyways, we also have a darker gray hexagon inside smaller, as big as that gap, but itself with no gap. It just places on top of the raycasting post, because we can identify it. This will be absolutely great, because you know everything is great basically. Also, what the heck is the time? 2:42. Yeah. Meh. I like saying meh. 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 Anyways, let's see what ChatGPT gives us. See ya! Alright, guys! Why am I talking so loudly? Alright, guys! Welcome. It's still the same video. Am I done? Alright, guys, we have this code, and now let's type it in. And let's refresh on my account. Boom! We are suddenly at my account. Wow, what dark magic is this? Alright, still everything works. The rotate, magnification, joystick. Now what we are gonna do, we're gonna take this and let's do like that. What is happening? Alright, so now since we selected it. Oh yeah, I forgot it on places. Right, so this part is debugging, so one debug part of the video shouldn't be that much, but I hope, but it's not working when I tap. It's just the same thing as before. Now let's see what it gives us. I hate editing. Psych! This is the end of this video. Did I say of 2 times? But anyway, this is the end of this video. If you want to watch more videos, that's GraviTrax Part 2, GraviTrax Part 1. You can also watch that. But the next video is going to be GraviTrax Part 3, and there we're going to have much more icons, much more placement, and maybe title screen. Who knows? But for now, I'll see you guys next time. Until then, guess what the magic word is? Why am I talking in the microphone? Guess what the magic word is?